Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you exactly how to set up recurring payment using Stripe, and it will be a complete beginner friendly video, and I try my best to break down each process step by step. So whether you are selling a digital product or membership or a subscription box, this guide will walk you through the full step. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, as you can see, we're already landed in our Stripe account, and you can see this is the URL stripe.com. So here you just need to paste your mail address and then just click to the start one. Like you can set up your account through these options. So I already have an account, so I am going to click to this sign in button. Just click over here. Once I click over here, it will landed me to dashboard.stripe.com. So the main thing is, first of all, you just need to go to the stripe.com and log in into your account. If you don't have an account yet, just click sign up, follow this step and verify your email. Once you are in, you will land it on Stripe dashboard as me. Then your control center for all payment will be active for you. So now here, when you will land it here, you just need to do a product creation, like set up a product for you. So it is really simple. You just need to click over here, this one, product catalog, and when you will click over here, you will get the options to create a new product over here. Just right corner you can see a button called create product. You just need to click over here, and once you click over here, then give it a name like pro membership plan and add an optional description because they are asking for this. So I'm going to add this name, pro membership plan, and then you can add an description if you think it is necessary for you. So I will leave it is not requireable. Then you can add your image. If you feel that the image will boost your sales, you can do it. Then scroll down to the pricing. Here you can see this is the pricing over here, and here's what the magic will happen. Like you just need to choose recurring and set your price and billing frequency. It could be monthly, weekly, yearly. Choose what fits your business and click to the save product. So here you can see we have two options, like on, off, and another is recurring. So here I am going to give a price that is 20, and then you just need to click to the add products. So just add products, and then you just need to create a subscription checkout link. So for that reason, you just need to go over here, payment link, or you can go to the subscription. Here you can see this is the subscription you have. You just need to click over to the payment links. Now we will create a checkout link for this recurring product. You just need to click on your product and hit create payment link. How you can do it? In here you can see we have the option right corner called new. You just need to click over here, and from that place you just need to select your product. As you know that we created an product that's name is pro membership plan, and the charges was $20 per month. Here you can see it. Just click over here. Before that, let me tell you what is recurring. Like Stripe recurring payments, and let's see Stripe. Here you can see Stripe billing. Here you can see that Stripe billing lets you bill and manage customer however you want, from simple recurring billing to users based billing and sales negotiated contract, collect, retain more. So here we have documents. What is recurring billing? Here you can see it. So if you read it, like these guides cover the basic things. So I click to the introduction, and here you can see to manage recurring, the guide covers basic information like basic of recurring revenue and many things. So here you can see what are the basic of recurring revenue. So it is a free trial, then someone will be start subscription, and it is an active subscription. So here this couple of funnel will be happen throughout the flow. This is the thing. Then if you want to know furthermore, you can read it. Here we have couple of things to read. Here they already describe all the things properly. It will help you to know more about the recurring. So now I'm going to add here some product. You can add couple of other product if you feel you just need to be add, you can do it. Then we have this advanced field, add custom field, then allow promotional code, you can add it. Then add business customer to provide text IDs. Then you can change the call to action button. Then also you can include a free trial also. Then require customer to provide phone number to collect their lead. Then here we have limit customer of payments, total payments people can pay only one time. Then here we have custom fields. If you add something like set limits, you can add the set limits. Then set a default value, like you can do whatever you want. So after payment, what will happen, you can do this thing here, replace default with custom message, or split the payment with connected account. So you can split the payment with other company or other partner this way. So now I am going to click onto the create link. Once I click over here, it will be created publicly and it will provide us an link. So I will remove this one, then I will click to the create link, and here you can see our link has been created. So you can enable customer email collection, and you can also allow promo codes or set trial period if you would like, I already mentioned. So you just need to click to the create link, and Stripe will give you an unique URL as you can see it. Then you can share this link directly or embed it in your website or emails. It's totally depend on you how you want to show your audience this link. So here let's check this out, is link really working or not. Here you can see it that your link is really working. So here you can purchase it from by using the card, you can go with cash app pay, you can provide your mail address here. So now we are going to talk about customized email receipt and notification. So let's go to the setting here. This is the gear button, just click over here, and here branding and email preference. Here you can see this is the communication preference, just click over here. So to make the experience feel professional, let's quickly customize your email setting. So you just need to go to the setting and branding to upload your logo, I already mentioned. So here you can see this is the general sections. Here you can see that we have couple of things. Then here we have the payments, product updates, and many more. Here you can see it. So from that place you can change it. And then under customer emails, make sure things like successful payment or upcoming renewal are turned on. So here you can see this is the successful payment, so you just need to enable it. Receive notification for every failed payment also, let's enable this one. Then payment review, let's enable this one too, and then it has been done. So this ensure your customers stay informed and feel secure all the time when they try to purchase your thing from your store. Then here we have connected accounts, general balance, API alerts, product updates, whatever you want, you can change it from here, you can add it from that place. So now we can view and manage subscription. So once people subscribe, you can manage all subscription from the subscription tab. In the shortcut you can see we have an tab that's called subscription. Just click over here. Once people subscribe, you can easily manage all subscription from the subscription tab. Here you will see that we have one customer, like it is the active customer. Then we have this schedule, task logs, migrations, many thing here. Then you have, if you are running a trial, then you will get trial status, then renewal dates, and many more. Like you can even cancel, pause, or update billing directly from here. Let me give you an optional thing that add webhooks for automation. Like here you can see we will get a developer option. Just click over here. Now we are on the sandbox form, that's why we are not getting this developer option, but when you will in the live account you will get this developer option. So if you are using a backend or membership sentence system, you can set up webhooks to automate things like account creation or access control. It is really easy, you can do it. So let's test the subscription follow. Step, make it easy to test. Use your test mode, grab a test credit, and from that docs and try subscribe to your product. You will see new subscription appear in your dashboard instantly. This is perfect for making sure everything works before going live. So let's try it. So come over here and let's try to cut it. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Card is an invalid. Then give it CVC, any random CVC. Okay, give me a dummy Stripe credit card for test. Let's search it, test card numbers. So I will get test card numbers over here, so you just need to copy those from that place. So here you can see we have things like here. Just copy any of them and paste it here, and eventually you just need to provide your name and then click check this out and then give a number 018725. Your phone number is invalid. Okay, add mail address, and now eventually you can see that our subscription button is enabled. Now we are allowed to access this one. Just click to the save. Once I click over here, then it will take a while and then they will provide us the result. So we need to keep waiting here. As you can see, thanks for subscription, a payment to Stripe appear, and let's go to this one subscription. And here you can see 2 subscriber has been come over here. One of the product is Pro membership plan and another one is before this one we try. So now if you find that all are working, like once you tested everything and it is time to go now live, in the top left corner of the dashboard you just need to click to the switch from test mode to live mode, and your checkout link is now active for real customer. Just share the link on your site, sales page or social media. And that's how you can set up recurring payments in Stripe using subscription in 2025. You have now got a complete automated system for charging your customer on a schedule. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any question. I am here to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.